Hello, beautiful humans. By the end of today's talk, you will have some practical and easy habits you can build to move into a slow living lifestyle. Okay, let's begin. The first is the easiest of them all. Slow down your breath. Slow down and breathe deeply. Most of us don't breathe deep, we breathe shallow. Slowly in through your nose and out through your mouth. Breathe from your diaphragm. Number 2, it's okay to be good enough. It's been shown that 20% of effort accomplishes 80% output. So no one is perfect, and we should stop trying to be perfect. Learning that good enough is okay will reduce our stress. Number 3, practical scheduling. If you know something will take an hour to complete, schedule an hour and a half. This way you don't feel rushed, and you can celebrate at finishing on time, if not before. Before we go on, please like and subscribe so that others can find this type of content. Okay, let's keep going. Number 4, create moments of peace and joy in your day. Whether that involves quietly sitting in nature or just taking a tea or coffee break in silence. Number 5, guard your mental health. Now, this is more involved than the previous suggestions, so let's take a look at which ways you can guard your mental health. First of all, walk away from negativity. Take a look at your encounters with friends and family. If you cannot change the negative dialogue that may exist, then it's time to walk away. Personal attention. Give yourself mini breaks if possible. Spend 30 minutes upon waking with no screen time. You can also do the same in the evening. Take mindful mini breaks during your day. 1 to 5 minutes at least if you are able. During those breaks, be mindful whether you are breathing, sipping tea, or just sitting in silence. The most important part of implementing some or all of these micro habits is to honor your natural rhythm first. Find what works for you and when it works for you. Let me know if you try any of these suggestions and what the outcome was. Leave your experience in the comments below. And until next time, be kind to yourself.